Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And today, looking forward to sharing with you about a product for your phone or even your GoPro, and that is with this very flexible tripod slash phone stand. Very, very cool. This was sent to me to review, to try out, and to share with you. I will put a link in the description down below. So I appreciate you clicking on the link if you are interested in getting more information on this product, reading other reviews, and of course ordering it. Do appreciate clicking on the link if you are interested in getting that information and possibly ordering it. Appreciate also liking my video if you find this video is of help. So this is by Kamisafe. So glad I connected with them and for them to send it to me and for me again to share it with you. There are some very similar type of tripod phone stands like this that give you the flexibility to basically attach this to most things like a pole or again, different places where this can attach to, or just simply just put it on your desk like this and you have that flexibility. So it makes it more affordable. An additional bonus, you get this remote, which will work with Androids and also with the iOS phones, the Apple phones, and you just turn this switch on, go to your Bluetooth, and it connected. So you don't have to hold any button to go into Bluetooth pairing mode. And once you do, you turn it on, you press the button, it connects with your device, and you're good to go. There's two buttons. So the top one is for your iPhones, and the bottom it says for Android. When I show you and demonstrate it, both buttons seem to work for my phone. I've got a Google Pixel 2 phone. Also, you got the instruction sheet here. Talks about Bluetooth and pairing, the wireless Bluetooth remote. Also, it does come with this universal phone clip and works with most phones. It does say, by the way, let me give you the specs. The specs for the adjustable phone clip is 2.2 to 3.5 inches. The tripod height is 10 inches. Now, I did take my measuring tape, and if I were to straighten the legs out, let's see the height. Now, I think it was about 9 inches. So from the bottom of the plate there, it's about 9.5 inches. If I go a little bit higher, maybe then that's 10. So 10 inches there. And that will give you an idea as height-wise if that's important to you. And a couple other specs as well. It's got a 1/4 inch screw release plate. I'll show you that in a minute. It doesn't have a twist knob. You almost need to use a tool, but I made it work and get it on. And the max load is 2.2 pounds. Net weight is 0.37 pounds. Just a little bit of information there. To remove the plate, you press this button in, and this pops out, and then you could see the plate. So you need a tool to screw this on. The screw is a 1/4 inch, I believe, is what it's a 1/4 inch screw release plate. So if you've got a tripod, if you got a GoPro, you could connect your GoPro to this and then use the GoPro with this stand slash tripod. So very cool, and it's nice too if you when you put your phone on there or whatever device you're going to put on, you can hold this at like at an angle versus straight up. So that makes it nice. It almost feels more natural positioning. And then you, of course, can then just lay this right on your desk like that. And you can definitely get creative. Now, as you can see here, I was out and about. I took this tripod phone stand and I connected it to different parts of the tree. So it seemed to have gone on. And what's nice is, it's just about twisting and turning to get that right angle of the legs to fit on. There. So you almost got like octopus legs. The white part throughout the phone stand tripod is a rubberized material, so it feels like it's a good grippy rubberized material. The black part is plastic. So there you go. It gives you a little flexibility there. And do check it out today. And again, it's affordable. I was impressed with it for the price point and looking forward to using it further, not only for my phone, for the photos and videos. Actually, I want to show you next with the remote control, as I'm going to turn that on. That was one of the things I must show you. Let me set up my phone here. And all right, so I am going to go ahead and turn it on. And then when you turn it on, it does this configure physical keyboard comes on. That's what it does when it goes into Bluetooth mode. But you can see here, if I press the button, it just took a photo. If I press the button again, it took another photo. So both buttons again work. And then if I were to put it into video mode, I can start it, I can stop it, and then top button, same thing. So the remote control is a nice bonus. You just throw this in your bag, you're good to go. You ever need to take those selfies or videos and you don't want to have to press the button, you got the remote control, you can do that. You could set up a timer here on your phone, and then, so if I want to put my video with the timer, let's see, it should, there should be an option for the timer, but I don't see that right at the moment for some reason. I don't know why I don't see a timer. So if I go video and timer, anyway, you can, actually let me go see. If I go into timer with the camera, 3 seconds, I set it to 3 seconds, and then let me turn the remote back on. I don't know why the timer's not on there for the camera. I'll have to look into that, but you can see 3, 2, 1, and there you go. So check it out today. Nice product, very affordable. You can definitely find places where you wish you had a tripod/phone stand, and whether you're using your phone or your GoPro, this makes it for a very fun and neat way to hold your phone in place, and you can get creative with your photos and videos. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the link down below to check this out, see what others have to say as well. And you can also, by the way, ask questions too. All right, take care. Thanks so much. Have a great day.